Delegates no mudini way no and no beko a September 8th Friday.
Look at that. That's
the Omudini Bibi Abekonoma compile register.
That's
no.
incredible.
I mean, I sure say it be a numbers so beka so they will want to know them.
No, me jidi senka with the bottom up approach. Yeah, to district there no. Yeah, district for Oma Baba be RFA chairman amai. Yeah, we constituent body be intact. Yeah, koto yaba.
And as I move follow FIFA there because you to FIFA president we and san ye be ye calf ni way in the end. Or no be no person or more fast to see and as a way.
I'm any time. Any calf united the same year.
Not necessarily the
See
same.
Where the problem is. It becomes a problem. Yeah, to about 2019, near my president, the 4-year mandate.
Yeah.
So you see FIFA there, so then you say, well, you are good to go. And even that, I'm not sure say you better go to aba FIFA level.
Sompa Sports.
Near to a solo before. You need to constitute for the smaller elections.
I hope you say a budget chemu e free FN wanti e bia na e nim no.
Na FN na nkasa
de go to the end and then
they are omodwuma
get an understanding.
Senka elections committee ni be yi nipa bi. Because near FN na ma ye hu no chere say we free elections committee no.
And the aba.
So at assessenti mintimi nkofre GFA general secretary and communications director say speak to this.
Perhaps be on more briefing as to
the independent body approach.
Yeah. Okay.
So say elections committee near an independent body of the FAR. And you're now here independent body there's a journalist on it. Say Daniel Odra. Omunyinima
na on kasa.
On trim. So that you better say why this approach. Martin Kofubi Omukem say na your 5 days spend out there cover forms affiliate clubs best signing. Let's not even kid ourselves. Obi or person contest this election maybe. They started this process
background checks na ye ni bibi
long ago. And you see, fine. Can Okrekwa chair say he can go after some clubs? Amidaos, Fire Rangers, I'm running new dia and new BD Tema Youth. These clubs are off the scene. But any club beyond I'll be timid was some console.
Okay.
No. There are some clubs you know so obviously. Maybe on Metro, all the forms they would endorse. That's the beauty of democracy. But your higher hearing him say Bibi Abeko come. Me yan chimu na yenti nyenhwe nyoma ekoso.
Okay.
Yes, Ropi say if no more than more and say omaja bre say ye ko election mu say ye ko vet na BBC na on tiasia you could appeal.
Yeah.
Mark this today. There will be a lot of these things.
Say issues about
there will be a lot of it.
Anyway.
Just for 2019 there no. It should tell you.
It's so normal.
Petitions be call.
Okay.
Nimrefi bi omo friend bisa and say now obeko integrity for no here on the phone so on bisa and say now then now only sir club official we didn't come up. Not so another for. See there, I mean this is politics. The dynamics and the diabolics. You get it? Let me use this opportunity to tell you. Say, Adriana Football Club are putting forward Mr. Joe for an ESCO position.
No, okay. Roger was there watch our system in Pan with Swia Bonuso.
You see, he'll be there. I'm hearing other names.
What shall I say? Let me say, because Mobile took coach Dean.
Coach Atunidi. A very grand media. I'm also hearing rumors. Say Karela and Rahana Idrisu would want Eloini Amande also there
on the ESCO. That's brilliant.
Yeah, and you know, this is a wait.
Yeah, and
let me also put this across. The Bruno Alliance plus the friends of Kotoko in the Premier League, Kurt has still not been able to break it. Yeah, he's still not been able to break it, and I'm surprised. Until this year, and yes, 4 years ago, Michael said, "Oh, wait, oh, sir, be young now for Papa, and young now for Keke, and now for Papa."
Okay, the loyal ones.
You need to have weight personally. My boy Jody, you know, so he's been around for long.
Yeah,
and he has friends.
Yeah. So those within his ranks, you know,
look, it becomes a big issue. And the last elections, you know,
Sports.
Wait, Mark, I say, The only name that failed on our list was choosing between Oduro Safo and one other person. I've forgotten that person. Okay. They got Loziko there, so they got Dr. Obin there.
Yeah.
Dr. Obin cried them so they had the most votes.
Yeah.
Michael, we beat Marco to Abana man who bad over to back up.
Okay.
Until you be at your list. Tomorrow. I'll have to travel and then leave the rest.
Wow.
I mean, there's a lot of diabolics in it. And many beswa, you be coming to what we ESCO members is saying. Be careful. Be very, very careful. Elections, we know. And that who say election, if it's happening, and that will be able to say there is shock. EBSA ESCO.
And I think we need the exact data on it. But I think that after every World Cup, the ESCO surface massive upset. Ye be free so.
Because last time I checked like this, they were weighing up Alex for zone 1.
Okay.
That was in his plans. My name so I filed for NPP primary C. But he is a big force in zone 1.
Oh yeah.
A very big force.
Oh, for what he's done, remarkable stuff for DBB. Then the spell with before a very successful one.
Force.
I think so.
Big force.
Techiman.
So now you see Techiman Liberty replacing Bofu. He would have a hand there.
Yeah.
Probably ABI 11 wonders because he was acrimonious against them for Bofu. But a lot will come into play. I would love to see this. Zone 2, a Honor Vice President Ifri.
Yeah.
He was a novice. He had money and he had Nanaya Amponsa.
Okay.
Who played a pivotal? Nanaya Amponsa played a pivotal role
for
Makado. Now he has weight, he has clout in the football, he has influence and network. But has he got control in the zone?
And also yes, I'm for
because Ashanti region say they are suffering. Pacific Heroes say niho, Deportivo niho, so they would lose out to different regions. Now Rose Park would come and join the Western Clique.
Okay.
Zima Kotoko, Bashake Holy Stars, and then you'd go to Western North and you get Serial Stars. Oba Central Regional, Vipers Aba. I mean, it's a traditional team. They would have a way to vote.
Okay.
Many sure Vipers, they would be someone the nearby school. But then they have that one vote that you would need.
Yeah.
It's a lot to go into it. Zone 3 dynamics now are changing. And I feel that the FA president will be strong there. But then you lose out on Randiabe's vote. Randiabe vote with Heart of Lions, Nabe 2.
Yeah.
He went there on the ticket of Heart of Lions.
Yeah.
Heart of Lions is now a premier club. Until premier he may not be so strong there. He will need to bully with resources. And the Premier League is so strong and close-fisted like this.
So I know more came here. Division 1 yes,
exactly
48 when he
Bahano Oba Kotoko Karela Adriana Bichim
and they are more alliance
Bofakwa Nsuatreman Chelsea Adriana.
So roughly that is like 8 clubs, yeah.
16. That's a block. Me sure said there are clubs I'm referee because they still control about 60% of the dealings in that zone. There are some votes. I mean, oh baby, I dream say wow, we call Nations FC, no? Nations FC like say the JP president has good relationship, but Nations FC might vote just like Kotoko. It's a directive.
Yeah, sure.
And the funny thing is that there are some clubs before Kokoto Abano, I won't say the BBA bro, do you say so? So you don't have a lot would come into this, and I'm loving it. I'd love to see how these dynamics go. But yeah, it's election.
But I'll delegate now.
No, Debbie.
May I have a delegate?
So why a delegate that other?
May I have a delegate? I say, oh Debbie, may I delegate?
Constituent Assembly.
Double FC.
Nabutre.
Yeah, near boy I league.
Nabutre. It is no delegate. I'm just a delegate.
I don't know. It is sorry. Emrana so minim just spare some few minutes. Akomiabra. Kudus. Why crowd for a move to the Premier League? Yes. Yeah, in these 2 ways.
Sompa Sports.
The player himself and then the terrain. The two marry at the same.
The player himself is ready. The terrain will be good for him. Maybe I may quite a little bit of different opinion is the club that he chooses on the terrain.
Okay.
I believe it's Oba Englander. I also involve around clubs, BT Sananka, Everton, Brighton, and Hove Albion. Clubs are pressuring him. Debia says a week back, when deliver crana, they betuti. Said they will be adapt here. They know they're moving on. That's what about Premier League ones are category A teams, category B teams, category C teams. Also, to me, shall say free bear category C ne kakra. No aba because say Manchester United mun na drop here baby. Is it you Liverpool ne Manchester City. We are moving from Mama Kani B, Chelsea money, Onya Butro, see no Brighton, one or Bocacra, Aston Villa, no Pida.
Obe bank cake ne so much. Wabra obe di ice and nepa win the cake now.
It told the beer also to me bank cake ne kakra have a taste of how a city tier. Now when you taste na be hunu de we say me dikomwa. If you are the woman who crab that and they also no.
Okay.
Until me to me say personally he is right for the league. The terrain will help him by the club no. And I won't show you.
All right. Until Amena so yeah sorry na